We all have a morning routine, right? Well, here is mine from the moment I open my eyes, to the moment I close them again at night. Thank you for joining me today. I stand before you to share the secret recipe of a fulfilling life. Buckle up, as we embark on a journey that combines style, productivity, and a touch of uniqueness to create a life worth living. The art of waking up, starting the day with flair. Every great day begins with a stellar morning routine. As a man in my early 20s and full of energy, it's essential to wake up with style. Gone are the days of mundane alarms. We opt for energetic tones that jolt us out of bed, ready to conquer the world. Stretching is a must, a moment of appreciation for the day ahead, as we greet the morning sun with enthusiasm. Refreshing and rejuvenating ourselves is crucial. We splash cold water on our faces, awakening the senses and preparing for the day's challenges. The application of a refreshing face mist or moisturizer adds a touch of luxury to our morning rituals. Even though I live with my mom, I still like to feel fancy. A quick brush of the teeth with a cool minty toothpaste ensures we start the day with a dazzling smile. And oh, let's not forget the effortless hairstyling that gives us our distinctive look. Sorry if you're bald. Of course, fueling up for the day is paramount. We prepare a hearty and nutritious breakfast, no skipping meals for us. Whether it's avocado toast, a protein-packed smoothie bowl, or a gourmet omelet, we savor every bite. And what's breakfast without a cup of specialty coffee or energizing green tea? We sip our morning elixir, appreciating the subtle flavors that fuel our minds and bodies. But here's the twist, my friends. We engage in an unusual activity during our morning routine. We spend a few minutes practicing freestyle rapping. Not only does it boost our creativity, but it also allows us to start the day with a unique groove. Mastering productivity, tackling tasks with finesse. We know how to be productive while maintaining a laid-back attitude. We dive into important tasks, armed with a prioritized to-do list. With a laser-like focus, we tackle projects head-on, aiming for success. But it's not all work and no play. We incorporate short breaks to refresh our minds and stretch our bodies, ensuring we maintain peak productivity levels. Staying organized and motivated is key to our success. We make use of productivity tools and apps that help us track our progress. By utilizing technology to our advantage, we strike a balance between efficiency and style. Connection is also vital. We engage in meaningful conversations with colleagues and friends, sharing ideas, collaborating on exciting projects, and sparking innovative solutions. The art of chill, finding balance and pursuing passions. After a productive morning, it's time to kick back and embrace the art of chill. We know the importance of taking time for oneself. We savor a delicious and healthy lunch, exploring new recipes or trying out trendy restaurants. We mindfully enjoy the flavors, nourishing our bodies while maintaining a sense of culinary adventure. But it doesn't end there. We have passions and hobbies that ignite their souls. We spend time practicing musical instruments, writing poetry, or engaging in physical activities like skateboarding or hiking. These pursuits help us stay connected to our true selves and unleash our creativity. And as humans, we even have an unusual activity during our chill time. We learn and practice magic tricks, honing our skills to bring a touch of mystery and wonder to the world. Embracing socializing, where the coolness unites. We know the importance of human connection. We gather with friends at cool spots, a local cafe, a rooftop bar, to engage in lively conversations, sharing stories and laughter. We explore new experiences, attending concerts, art exhibitions, or poetry slams. We embrace the creative energy, meet interesting people, and expand our horizons. But here's the human twist, organizing quirky events. We go beyond the ordinary, hosting game nights or karaoke competitions, inviting our friends to let loose and have fun. It's all about creating unique memories and forging bonds that will last a lifetime. The art of wind down, nurturing the soul. As the day winds down, we know how to nurture our souls. We indulge in a relaxing bubble bath or refreshing shower, washing away the day's stress. Dimming the lights and creating a cozy ambience sets the stage for relaxation. We unplug from technology, allowing ourselves to escape into captivating books or calming music. Mindfulness or meditation practices bring mental clarity and help us unwind. Reflection is a powerful tool. We write in journals, expressing our thoughts, acknowledging our gratitude, and gaining perspective. Setting intentions for the next day, we envision success and reaffirm our commitment to living our best lives. Bedtime, embracing rest and rejuvenation. As the night unfolds, a human knows the value of rest. We slip into comfortable pajamas or loungewear, wrapping ourselves in a cocoon of coziness. Nestling under soft sheets and fluffy pillows, we allow ourselves to drift into dreamland, knowing that tomorrow is another opportunity to shine. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have unraveled the secrets of my routine. By embracing style, productivity, and a touch of uniqueness, we can live life to the fullest. So, let's wake up with flair, conquer the day with finesse, find balance in our pursuits, unite with our fellow humans, nurture our souls, and embrace rest. Remember, you too can become the human or cadet you've always aspired to be, living life with passion, style, and that extra touch of uniqueness. Thank you.